Today, we're opening one of the most loved watercolor sets, the St. Petersburg set. I've been waiting for this moment. Okay, I'm finally opening my St. Petersburg watercolor set. I've been saving this moment. The packaging already looks so beautiful. Oh wow, look at these colors. They look even better in real life. This first peel is always my favorite part. It feels so satisfying. The color selection is amazing. I love how rich these shades look. I'm going to swatch a few colors so we can see how they actually perform. Oh, that's smooth. The pigments is really strong. I really love the balance of colors in this set. You get a good mix of warm and cool tones, which makes it super versatile. Some of these colors look very intense in the pen, but once you add water, they become so soft and controllable. The pigments feel very clean. They don't look muddy when they mix, which is really important for watercolor. This set feels perfect for both beginners and professional artists. The colors are strong but still easy to manage. I especially love this shade right here. It's so vibrant. I'm really happy with this set. I can't wait to paint something with it. Let me know which color you like the most.